Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a nice, quick, easy card trick. You're definitely going to fool your friends. It's very random. I've got Julian the Boxer here with me today. So he's going to be my spectator. So you're going to take a deck of cards. You can do a quick riffle shuffle through. You're going to split the deck. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to ask Julian to pick a random card anywhere. He can just take any card anywhere.
Thank you.
Once he takes a card, there he showed you the card. I don't know what the card is. He's going to put it back in the deck. I'm going to put it down. Then he's going to tell me where to stop anywhere. Where he stops here will indicate in the deck where his card is. So Julian, tell me when to stop anywhere.
Okay. Stop.
Okay, so he stopped on the 6 of spades. So if we count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there's his card. Very nice trick, easy trick to do. I'm going to quickly show you guys how to do it. The only setup that you guys need to do is you're going to take out all the 6s and 7s in the deck. If you guys can see there, you're going to put a normal card 6, normal card 6, normal card 6, and you'll do that all the way through with all your 6s and 7s. Then when you do your riffle shuffle, you tell the spectator, okay, you want to show him a quick trick. When you do the riffle shuffle, make sure that the side where your 6s and 7s are on top, and that you leave enough cards so that the 6s and 7s stay behind. Once that's done, you just split it halfway through the deck. While you tell the spectator he can choose any card, you're counting out 6 cards. You can even do 6 cards, and then because you're fanning it out, so you're going to say pick any card. So I've got 6 already. I put my finger in just to mark it off, and then I just go through. So if he chooses a card and says that's his card, while he's looking at his card, I put the other cards back. I've got the 6 cards in my hand. So I tell him put the card back in. I'm just going to turn it over like this. I'm going to take my 6 cards, I'm going to put it in, and then I start counting. Obviously I know the first card's not a 6, so I'll just say yes, no, yes, no, yes. If he says stop and it's on the 6, then I count down 6 cards and I say the 7th card is his. If he stops by this card, the 5th card, which is the jack, which I know is not a 6, I will count down. I'll take the next card and say okay, right, because he said stop, I take the next card and I count down 6. If he goes to the 7, same, 7's easier, you just stop on the 7th card. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, tell me what you guys thought. I'm going to post some more videos shortly. Thank you for watching.